In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Freshdesk data. By the end, you'll have clean copies of your key information stored safely outside of Freshdesk, which is essential for audits, reporting, or simply having a reliable fallback. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions, and let's walk through it together. Start by opening Freshdesk and heading to Analytics in the left sidebar. This is where your built-in and custom reports live, and it's the best place to capture high-level summaries and performance snapshots. Choose a report to open. You can pick an existing one, like tickets or help desk performance, if you want a quick overview. If you need something more specific, create a custom report so you can tailor the metrics, time ranges, and filters to exactly what you want to keep in your backup. When your report looks right, click Export in the top right corner. You'll be asked to choose a format. PDF is great for fixed, presentation-ready snapshots. Excel works well if you plan to do light analysis or share with teammates who prefer spreadsheets. CSV is ideal for raw data, large volumes, or when you'll import the data into other tools. After choosing, confirm the export and download the file. Consider adding the date to the file name so it's easy to track versions later. Next, back up your contacts. Go to Contacts and click Export. Select the fields that matter most for your records, typically name, email, phone, and company. Keeping your field selection focused helps reduce noise and limits exposure of sensitive details. Export as a CSV so it's easy to open in spreadsheets or import into other systems when needed. Now, back up your tickets. Head to Tickets and apply filters if you want a specific slice, such as a date range, a particular group, or certain statuses. When the list shows exactly what you need, click Export and download your ticket data as CSV or Excel. CSV is often best for large datasets, while Excel is convenient for quick reviews. Give the file a clear name and verify it opens correctly so you know your backup is usable. That's the full process. Export your reports from Analytics, then your contacts, and finally your tickets. With these files saved, you've created a dependable snapshot of your Freshdesk environment. Store your exports in a secure location that's routinely backed up, and repeat this process on a regular schedule that fits your operations. That's it. Thanks for watching.